Bonjour.
For judgment, item number 36.
This is 291, no? Read petition dismissed.
For judgment, item number 35.
36. Okay. Petition dismissed.
Please, your
Yes, Mr. Moore.
Lordship, I would like to mention item number 10. Lordship,
Yes.
this matter relates to grant of skill up to a contingency employee. Let this matter become up for 3 weeks
Why after 3 weeks?
because state has constituted a committee. A committee. has
You
been
file your affidavit?
Yes,
Okay. Constitute a committee for?
to look after the remuneration of this fixed pay employees.
Mr. Moimchan, the learned senior government advocate submits that state has filed affidavit, but further instructions is required. And therefore seeks adjournment of the case after 3 weeks. Prayer is allowed, listed as order.
Lordship, item 27, 32 also,
20,
32, the same thing.
item 32. The same order.
Yes, yes.
You file your affidavit?
Yes, yes. Readings is completed.
Same order? Okay. Same council? In item, you
Yes.
are in item 32, ma'am?
Yes, Your Lordship, yes.
Okay, okay. Okay. Okay.
Published.
May I please, Your Lordship,
Yes, please.
I beg to mention item 15.
1-5.
Yes, my lord. On behalf of the leading councillor, Sohar Ali Sheikh.
So,
Here the pleadings are complete. So it
Sohar-
may kindly fix for hearing after 3 weeks.
Sohar Adisek.
Yes, my lord.
I'm sorry, I always find it difficult to pronounce it. Mr.
Akin Richabo, my lord.
Pakin Richabu,
Yes, my lord.
learned counsel, makes a mention on behalf of Mr. Sohar Ali Sheikh, the learned counsel for the petitioner, and submits that. Pleadings are completed, and therefore the matter can be listed for hearing. Listed for hearing in the usual course.
Obliged.
Yes.
Hello, lord.
Yes,
May I please, Your Lordship?
yes, please.
Your Lordship, I beg to mention hearing item number 24. Your Lordship, I'm standing on behalf of my senior Gauhati CGC. Your
Okay.
Lordship, is my senior remain disposed, so ladies may come after 2 weeks. Your Lordship.
24.
Yes, Your Lordship.
24,
Your
item
Lordship.
24.
24, Your Lordship.
Mr. So-and-so makes a mention, the learned counsel makes a mention on behalf of Mr. Yamarwati, the learned CGC, and seeks adjournment of the case after 2 weeks on the ground that the learned CGC is indisposed. Prayer is allowed, listed accordingly. Okay.
Obliged, your lordship.
May I please, your lordship,
Ah,
beg to mention item number 28, lordship. Lordship, let it come up on Monday.
item
Number 28, lordship.
not required. Item 28.
Lordship,
Yes,
come up on Monday, lordship.
yes, okay.
There is interim order passed, lordship.
Mr. So-and-so. Learned counsel for the petitioner. Let's see whether Monday listed after a week. Stop.
Lordship, there is an
The interim order passed earlier shall continue till the next returnable date. Okay,
much obliged.
yes.
May I please, Your Lordship, I beg to mention item 22 of the hearing list, Your Lordship.
22,
Here, yes, Your Lordship.
22,
Yes, Your Lordship.
22, is it a hearing list?
Yes, hearing list, Your Lordship.
Okay,
Your Lordship, here I'm seeking further instructions, so this may be listed after a week, Your Lordship.
Mr. MS Inaholi, the learned government advocate submits that she has sought for further instructions and therefore seeks adjournment of the case for a week. Prayer is allowed, listed accordingly.
Much obliged.
May I please, your lordship?
Yes,
Your lordship, I beg to mention item number 8, admission item. Kindly allow 3 weeks time to file my
to file,
reply.
Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner, 6 for 3 weeks time to file affidavit in reply. Prayer is allowed, listed accordingly.
Much.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 20, lordship.
Ah,
Lordship, let it come up on 9th May, lordship.
Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner, 6 adjournment of the case for a week. Prayer is allowed, listed accordingly. Okay,
Much obliged.
Man, I'm praying for fixed date time for the respondents.
yes, when do you want it
On 9th of May.
listed after, instead of 4 weeks, instead of 2 weeks, listed on 9/5/2024.
I'm okay.
Much obliged, lordship.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes,
Madam, I beg to mention hearing item number 27 on behalf of my senior Joshua.
Yes,
Kindly we fix this matter after 2 weeks, since my senior is out of station.
MS So-and-so, learned counsel makes a mention on behalf of Mr. Joshua Shakti, the learned counsel for the respondent number 5, and 6 adjournment of the case up to 2 weeks. Prayer is allowed, listed accordingly.
My lord, the similar prayer for item number 31,
Similar prayer, 31. Okay.
respondent 10.
Respondent 10, here, respondent 10, okay, okay.
Obliged, madam.
Yes,
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 18.
18, 18,
Yes, sir.
180, okay.
Service upon respondent number 5 is still admitted, so kindly, this is matter after 2 weeks.
Let's see the file, okay. Let it come up as per the list, if the it's a question of service. Okay, as per the list,
May I please, Your Lordship?
yes.
May I be pleased to mention hearing item 19, 19.
Ah.
Your Lordship, if the matter can come up on Tuesday, next Tuesday.
Okay. On the prayer of the learned counsel for the parties. Listed on,
Tuesday.
when is Tuesday? Listed on 9/4/2024. Okay.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes,
Lordship,
Ms. Mary.
I beg to mention item 9, Your Lordship.
Yes,
Lordship, here the case of the petitioner is under consideration. So may I pray this matter be listed after 4 weeks?
okay. MS Mary, the learned senior government advocate submits that the case of the petitioner is under consideration and therefore 6 adjournment of the case for 4 weeks to receive further instructions. Prayer is allowed, listed accordingly.
I'm obliged, Your Lordship.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 34. Lordship, I'm appearing on behalf of the leading counsel P. Soren.
P. Soren,
Yes,
P-
Your Honor.
P. Soren, okay.
On his instruction, I beg 2 week time may be granted.
Mr. So-and-so, The learned, Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel makes a mention on behalf of Mr. P. Surin, the learned counsel for the respondent, and seeks adjournment of the case after 2 weeks. Prayer is allowed, listed accordingly. Okay.
May it please, my lord.
Yes,
Your lordship,
please.
I beg to mention item number 3.
Ah.
Your lordship, kindly allow me 3 weeks to file reply to all the respondents, your lordship.
Three.
Yes, your lordship, 3 weeks.
You want to file a reply?
Yes, your lordship.
Okay. MSB, any theory? The learned counsel for the petitioner submits that she may be allowed 3 weeks' time to file reply affidavit to the affidavit in opposition filed by the respondents. Prayer is allowed, listed accordingly.
Your lordship, there's an interim, it may kindly be extended.
The interim order passed earlier shall continue till the next returnable date. Okay.
Your lordship, I have a similar prayer for item number 16.
1-6.
Yes, your lordship.
Okay.
Lordship,
You are the counsel, ma'am,
Lordship, I'm appearing on behalf of Mr. Mr.
Okay.
Mosul.
but same set of counsels.
Your,
Item 16,
yes, your
same
lordship.
prayer
Yes, your
to
lordship.
file reply.
Yes, your lordship.
Okay.
Lordship, I beg to mention hearing item number 29. Lordship, my seniors indisposed today, so if this matter may come up after 2 weeks for hearing.
MS Censor makes a mention on behalf of Mr. N. Muzoi,
Lordship,
learned counsel for the respondent,
respondent number 6, Lordship.
learned counsel for the respondent number 6, and seeks adjournment of the case on the ground that the leading counsel is indisposed. Prayer is allowed, listed after 2 weeks.
Obliged, Lordship. My pleasure, Lordship.
Yes,
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 5. Lordship, I kindly grant me 2 weeks time to file my affidavit.
item 5 is with 4, 5, 6, 7.
Lordship, 4, 6, 7, I have already filed.
4, 6, 7, you have filed your affidavit.
Yes, Lordship.
You want to file affidavit in item 5,
Lordship.
okay?
Yes, Lord.
MS Pichano, the learned government advocate, is granted 2 weeks' time to file affidavit in opposition in WPC 182/2022. Prayer is allowed, listed accordingly.
Lordship, I also like to beg to mention hearing item number 25 on behalf of PZO. Kindly list this letter after 2 weeks.
25,
Lordship,
on behalf of
PZO.
MS Pichano, the learned government advocate, makes a mention on behalf of Mr. V. Jamomi, the learned government advocate, and seeks adjournment of the case after 2 weeks. Prayer is allowed, listed accordingly. Okay.
Lordship, I pledge.
By please, lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, I beg to mention hearing item number 21. Lordship, I pray that the matter may come up after a week.
You are the counsel for the
Petitioner, my lord.
Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner, seeks adjournment of the case after a week. Prayer is allowed, listed accordingly.
Okay. Lordship, I beg to mention hearing item number 26 also. Lordship, I pray that the matter may be fixed on 18th of April. It is a consensus date with the CGSC.
On the prayer of the learned counsel for the parties listed on 18/4/2024.
Table of Rights, ma'am.
Have Mr. Lordship.
Yes, please.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 14. Lordship, may I kindly list the matter after 2 weeks?
You are
For the
mentioning
respondent.
for the respondent,
Yes, Lordship.
private respondent,
Yes, Lordship.
MS So-and-so, the learned counsel for the private respondents seeks adjournment of the case after 2 weeks. Prayer is allowed, listed accordingly.
Lordship, there's an interim.
The interim order passed earlier shall continue till the next returnable date.
May I please, your lordship. My lord, I beg to mention item number 11, 12, and 13. Kindly grant me 2 weeks' time to file my reply.
MS So-and-so, the learned counsel for the petitioner is granted 2 weeks to file reply affidavit. Yes,
Obliged.
For withdrawal, item number 1.
Have Mr. Lordship,
Mr. Supple,
have instruction to withdraw the case, Your Lordship, so I may be allowed to withdraw with liberty to file a fresh, Your Lordship.
MS Supamati, The learned counsel for the petitioner submits that he has instructions to withdraw the writ petition with liberty to file afresh. The writ petition is allowed to be withdrawn with liberty to file afresh.
Obliged, Lordship.
For admission, item number 2.
May I please, Lordship?
Yes, Ms. Sokri.
Lordship, in this case, I filed my counter affidavit last year in August 2023.
Okay.
And last time this court has directed the registry to check the
Counter affidavit.
counter affidavit, but it has not been found in the record. So your Lordship, in that case, can you grant me 3 weeks time to file the counter affidavit?
Okay, okay. MS V. Sokri, the learned additional advocate general, is granted 3 weeks time to file affidavit in opposition. Okay.
For orders, item number 17.
Wait, please, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Your Lordship, here, the present council have already filed an affidavit, Your Lordship, withdrawing my power, Your Lordship. However, service upon the petitioner is still awaited. Accordingly, we have served notice to the petitioner, Your Lordship.
Whether registry has sent the intimation to the petitioner, is there any notice regarding withdrawal of Wakalat Nama? Okay. Yes, just check up whether there is any note.
Your Lordship, even the registry has expressed their difficulty in serving notice to the petitioner, Your Lordship.
But nothing is recorded, so we just want to check out. We just want to check. Is it? Insufficient address. Tell them to give a note. Okay. Tell them to give a note. Huh? Tell them to give a note. No note. It cannot be like this, huh? The registry is directed to put up a note stating compliance of the order dated 4/12/2023, listed after 2 weeks. Okay.
Obliged, Your Lordship.
For orders, item number 18.
None appears for the petitioner, listed after 3 weeks.
For hearing, item number 23.
Will it take time? If it take times, this court may not be able.
Your Lordship, I'll just, if your Lordship will see the prayer only and then.
What is the prayer?
That is my submission. It is for MACP.
I have difficulty looking
Yes,
at the files.
Yes, Your Lordship. Then in that case.
That is the problem.
Yes, yes. Your
If
Lordship.
not, I want to hear you, but I have difficulty
Yes,
looking at the files.
It's all right.
I get that dizziness. So we list it after 2 weeks.
Your Lordship.
List the case after 2 weeks. Yes, madam, you are in this case, Surjit.
No, Lordship. I was just wondering that there is a military.
For admission, item number 37 from the supplementary cost list.
Yes.
This one, Lordship, we file RTI, and as per the RTI, the respondent have, after my application is submitted, they have appointed 323 grade 4 employees, but they have not appointed even one compassionate, on compassionate ground.
Yes.
Lordship, as per the record, the petitioner stands still number 4.
Have you filed your affidavit?
Yes, your lordship.
Ah.
This came up on Tuesday and was fixed.
We'll list it for hearing. Listed for hearing after 2 weeks.
Then lordship, do I need to ask instructions regarding the reply? I have not received instructions yet. According,
Reply what?
to reply to their
Affidavit and
affidavit and
reply.
Mr. So-and-so, learned government advocate, is also granted time to seek instructions on the reply affidavit filed by the petitioner.
Okay, lordship.
And to place the same before the court on the next date fixed. Okay.
For hearing, item number 30.
Lordship, whether my lord is in a position to take up or not.
What is the case about?
Just a appointment on Lenore basis. Lordship.
Pardon?
Appointment on Lenore basis.
No, next week.
Lordship.
Next week, okay?
Lordship.
Next week. List it again on, when do you want it? You take somewhere, sometime, Tuesday, Tuesday
Lordship.
Tuesday will be,
Next week.
list it again on 9/4. 9/4, okay, 2024.
For hearing, item number 33.
This is regarding that home guards case, village guard case. Really, it will take time. It will take some time.
Yes, yes.
Whether all the records are ready, we have actually told you to get all the records. Now regarding
Report was produced in the earlier occasion, and that was sent back to the department because the because the reports and the respondent defined activity. And the respondent to this had already filed.
respondent number, the government respondent.
Yes.
Because actually I think something was missing.
Yes, sir.
Something, your AC or something was missing. So what happened to that? Your APAR is ready.
About is clear, however, lordship, while my remarks has been forwarded to the DBC, nothing is been mentioned in the order.
What is the stand of the government in that case?
They have already filed.
No, what is your stand?
My lord, despite of notice issued to the petitioner to submit the apart, they have not submitted. That is why in the DPC, his case was not considered.
Yeah.
That is the reason.
Do you have any proof?
Yes.
Do you have any proof stating that this notices were issued?
Yes, my lord.
These notices were issued to the petitioner to submit the APAR?
Yes,
Our has to be submitted by the authorities, not by me, lordship. You're just covering the illegal action. Cover up the illegal action, lordship.
Common notice was issued, others they have submitted, but except the petitioner, they have not submitted.
APAR should be with whom, Mr. Tongpok?
It should be with the authority, your lordship.
It should be with the authority. If it is with the authority, Mr. Tiba. So how do you take the stand that the petitioner has not submitted the APAR?
My lord, since in the department that the DC mode, the authority who is the custodian of the APAR, APAR was not with the authority, it was with the APAR, with the petitioner. That is why the department.
How now the issue is how do this court discover with whom the APAR was? So we have to actually take a stand that in the what is actually done in the normal course.
Your lordship, my case is that there is deliberate delay in latches. And I have clearly made it out in my.
Deliberate delay in latches on
Yes.
what ground?
In 2018, the seniority list came out. Seniority list.
Showing you as senior.
He was senior, then I submitted my representation Then they brought out another seniority list.
The final.
It was a tentative one, but it was brought out. Then what happened after 2018, it came on, and 2021 promotion was granted. After more than a year, he has approached his honorable court. After I was promoted. And the law is very clear. The decisions of the Supreme Court are very clear. Court is very clear. That when a third party's right has been, when a third party has.
Let us try to take up the case after a week.
Your
Let us-
Lordship.
Okay, today I'm not feeling that. So, okay, on the prayer of the parties, listed after a week. Okay, let us
Your Lordship.
try to dispose on that day. Okay. Yes, next.
Oh,